Alright, so let's get started. Get back to work. Carlos, I see you're back. Well, let's see if hopefully this time you listen to my instructions and I won't have to call Bob the Builder on you. Let's see, well, you're still enlisted as a beginner here, so make your blueprint.
Yes, Mr. Tom Tom. Alright, let's get this blueprint done. Yeah, alright. Oh, it's over there. Alright.
This is the best blueprint I've ever seen. It's so detailed and so neat. Wait, you're too smart for this class. Wait, you're too good. You know what? You need to come here. Come with me.
Okay. Okay.
Come on.
Okay.
Maybe you can help
Guess this is
down the
amazing.
way.
Wait, aren't you Big Jenna? What are you doing here?
Peter called for help, that's why I'm here.
Okay.
Yeah?
What are you doing?
I'm trying to make a chair, but I don't know how to do it. And everything I do seems so wrong.
You're doing this wrong. Watch this.
Yeah, you should better listen to Carlos. He makes the best blueprints.
Okay, Mr. Dum Dum.
Thank you, Mr. Dum Dum. I am the best at making blueprints. I am. Anyways, so let me get back to how you make it, alright?
Okay.
You do this.
Whatever.
Done.
Wow! That's the best trick ever. Color, you're so smart. Man, I would never make a chair like this.
Duh, I am smart.
Wow.
You're too advanced for this class too. Here, follow me. Come on, Jenna.
Pastor Allen, what are you doing here?
What are you doing here?
I asked you first.
Are you getting into trouble again, Carlos?
No, I was put in this class because I'm too advanced for the other classes.
Yeah! He's too good!
Thank you, guys. You see?
Okay.
So, what are you doing?
Oh, I'm trying to make a podium for church.
A podium?
With this piece of wood.
Really?
Yep.
Oh, and it seems like you're having trouble with it.
But I can't do it. I can't figure it out. The measurement is not right. I've been measuring like for 1 hour already. It just doesn't make sense to me.
Piece of cake. Just watch this, alright? Let me take it.
Okay. Oh, I can't even make it. You think you can make it? No way. No way. With that piece of wood, just that piece of wood made this? No way. You did not. That is so awesome. Now I can use this on Sunday. Pete Casey, I can use this on Sunday. Good job. Good job, Carlos. I'm so proud of you.
Thank you.
Amazing job.
Like I said, it was a piece of cake.
You know what? I gotta call Bob the Builder.
Wow, this is amazing. I can totally use this.
Hello, Bob the Builder? Yeah? Hey, you need to come to school right now. You need to see this. Okay. Alright, see you. Bye.
Oh, Bob the Builder?
What?
You made this amazing blueprint. It's so neat and so nice.
Wow.
Wow.
You made this chair.
A chair?
It's right.
Whoa.
Wow.
And let me use that. You made a podium.
This is amazing. One piece of wood.
Carlos, you are amazing.
I know I am. You know what? I should take over this school. I'm too good for this. Bob the Builder, I challenge you to a contest.
A contest? No. What are rules? What are rules?
Excuse me, sir. What are the rules?
I'm sorry, what are the rules?
Yes. All right. The rules are. Let me think. All right. I got it. Here are the rules. You need to make something out of this Jenga block.
This?
Yes, this Jenga block. All right. Whoever gets the better constructive, creative idea wins. All right.
All right.
So if I win, I get the keys to your school and I get your theme song. But if you win, you keep everything and remain the best.
Okay, you're on.
All right. See you.
Watch what I can do with this. Watch. Do you see this? Watch carefully.
I think Bob the Builder's gonna win. Come on, Bob the Builder's so good. But then, yeah, but then,
All right.
Are you ready for this?
Yeah. Bob, what did you make?
All right. Are you ready? I made pencils. What did you make?
All right. Oh, I love this drum roll. No way.
No.
I made a statue made out of gold.
What? A gold statue? Wait.
no way.
This is real gold.
Let me see.
This is real gold.
Let me smell it. Okay, it smells like gold.
Okay.
Wow.
Wait. All right. Carlos, I give up.
Yes.
Here's the key to the school and my theme song.
It's the legendary key.
Yes.
It's so
I own this school, and I will rename this school to Carlos the Builder Construction School. And I have my very own theme song. Hit it. Carlos the Builder cannot fix it. Carlos the Builder, yes I can. I am the owner of the school. I am hanging with a bunch of fools. I hold the key, yes I do. Now everybody bow to me. All right, get up. Go make me a house right now. Yes, sir. That's right.
Carlos,
Who is this?
it is I, God. Have you forgotten about the gifts that I have given you? It was I that gave you these gifts, not you. You have too much pride, Carlos. It's clouding your mind. I shall take away everything that you have now. All of your friends will turn away from you. You will no longer be the best.
No!
Give me that.
Oh no!
Give me this.
Oh, please, not the cake, not the cake. No, please.
Give me this.
What's wrong with you?
Oh, mommy.
Peter, what? Like at home?
Oh,
It's the
yeah.
first day back to school and you're already sleeping on the ground? I told you to take a look and you sleep. What am I going to do?
Oh man, what am I supposed to do now? Well, I should be making this blueprint, right? I think so. Alright, I'll do what Mr. Dongdan said. Anyways, it was all a dream. It felt so real. I I must not have pride, or else I'll lose everything. Oh man, everything I have came from God. Oh man. Mr. Dum-Dum, I need to finish my blueprint in the bathroom. Bye.
In the back. No, get back. Where you going?
Alright. How many of you ever had night